Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Pocketguard on iPhone. Pocketguard is a personal finance app that helps you track your expenses, create a budget, and stay on top of your financial goals. To get started, first download and install the Pocketguard app from the App Store. Once installed, launch the app and sign up for an account. You can sign up using your email address, Google, or Facebook account. After signing up, you will be asked to link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app. This will allow Pocketguard to track your transactions and provide you with a clear picture of your financial situation. The main dashboard of the app is divided into several sections, including income, expenses, and savings. The income section shows your total income, while the expenses section shows your total expenses. The savings section shows your savings goals and progress. To track your expenses, simply click on the Add Expense button and enter the amount and category of the expense. You can also add receipts and notes to each expense for future reference. Pocketguard also allows you to set budget limits for each category, and will send you alerts when you go over budget. One of the key features of Pocketguard is its ability to automatically categorize your transactions. The app uses machine learning algorithms to categorize your transactions into categories such as food, transportation, and entertainment. This makes it easy to see where your money is going and make adjustments to your budget accordingly. To get the most out of Pocketguard, it is recommended that you check the app regularly to stay on top of your finances. You can also set financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund or paying off debt. The app will provide you with personalized recommendations and alerts to help you achieve your goals. In addition to tracking your expenses and income, Pocketguard also provides you with a bill tracker and investment tracker. The bill tracker allows you to track your upcoming bills and payments, while the investment tracker allows you to track your investments and stay on top of market trends. Overall, Pocketguard is a powerful tool for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. By following these steps and using the app regularly, you can take control of your finances and start building a brighter financial future.